Oh, there's a milk. You've got to be kidding. That is the first milk I've gotten here, and it's insane. What a flip. Yes, dude. You're kidding me. Why is it absolutely spectacular? That has got to be one of the nicest milks I've gotten down here. And this is the only one from this area. Fresh shed. Wow, what an animal. These are definitely going to produce at some point. Oh, there's another milk. Oh, there's a milk number 2 on the crawl. 2 milk snakes, are you kidding me? That's got to be one of the craziest things I've ever seen. Dude, what? That's insane. On the crawl is crazy. What the heck? Oh, that's so cool, dude. Well, as per usual, it's getting dark on me as I'm getting some last-minute pictures, but that is one killer way to end off a day.